it's not something that happens to me very often. This is something I've been playing around with. You might have seen on our website somewhere about the Ethanol Rocket. There's various versions of it, but I decided it was actually much more fun and probably rather safer if you can get the thing going along the wire. It might be an idea if you just move a little bit to the side. It's going along the wire here. I'm assuming it's going to stay on there. It always has so far, but you never can tell. Basically, you're just using a 2-litre Coke bottle, or other drinks are available. And what I've done is make a small hole in the bottom with a cork borer. Ask your chemists. If you just heat it, you can easily make the hole. This is about 6 millimetres in diameter. I mean, you could possibly experiment with different size holes to see what effect it has. And I put in the bottle about half a millilitre or so of ethanol. You can use just ordinary meths. It doesn't have to be the sort of proper stuff. What we've got here, it's a length of nylon fishing line. You can just do this with string, but the fishing line being nylon is nice and smooth. What I've also got is a couple of runners on here. The first versions of this used just bits of straws. Fine. After a little while, the friction started melting through them. So what I've got is a couple of little bits of glass tube. And what I'm going to do is put a couple of bits of sellotape on there. So that's that. Fix the bottle to here. I would like to point out that this is not an injury as a result of that. Over-exuberance with an axe while chopping kindling. It's not quite as bad as it sounds. And so just got a bit of ethanol. So what's happened is you've got a lot of... I've actually put the wrong one up. The one without the ethanol in yet. We'll slow things down. That's the control. Without ethanol, it tends not to work very well. I will put some in the bottom here just in case. We might want more than one, might we? So what you need to do when you put the ethanol, you just need to swirl it around a bit to get it to vaporise. Let's try again. Right. That's not perfectly straight, it'll do. So just take the top out, flame at the end, fingers crossed. See if we can get that into light. Quite nicely. What we have done is filmed it, and then you can start looking at the rate of acceleration and the various calculations, knowing the mass of the bottle. I know how much you physicists love your equations, and you can work out the amount of energy involved. And then, from a chemistry point of view, I was looking at the bond energies involved in the burning of the ethanol, so you can get some idea of the efficiency of the device as well. And well, what's not to like? Something flying across the room. We did find it reached. It was about 12 Gs, I think, and it got to about sort of 75 miles an hour in the middle when it went out of the frame. And it does tend to impact with a fair amount of force.
So you need lots of bottles.
Well, you don't really, because you can just pull the top out again and reuse them. But anyway, so I will leave these here, and if anyone does want to carry on having a play with this, if you do want to reuse it, you need to wait for it to cool a little bit. It's probably best just to give a quick blow through, just to make sure, because obviously all the oxygen's been used up in here, and it will tend not to burn. To work better, it does need to be dry. They will still work, but that one's all ready and primed to go. The bits of glass are up at the far end, so they'll need to be slid down along the wire. But if anyone wants to have a go at any point during this morning session, then you're more than welcome. I'll be around for a little while, but other than that, over to you, Gregor.
Thank you very much.